Which of the following corrections is necessary? A. The word most in sentence 1 should be changed to more. B. The word planets in sentence 3 should be written as planet is. C. The word an in sentence 4 should be changed to the. Or D. The word sun should not be capitalized in sentence 5. Let's go through each choice, apply its correction, and see if it's an appropriate suggestion. The word most in sentence 1 should be changed to more. If we did that, our sentence would read as March is the more geomagnetically active month of the year. This doesn't make sense, as more implies a comparison between two things, but there are more than two things being discussed here, March and all the rest of the months of the year. Most implies a comparison between several things, in this case, March and the rest of the months. As this correction is not only unnecessary but is also incorrect, we can mark it off. The word planets in sentence 3 should be written as planet is. Taking a look at sentence 3, we can see that the apostrophe s of planets is not an abbreviation of planet is, it's a possessive apostrophe s. That is, the geometry mentioned in the next sentence is referring to the geometry of the planet. As this correction too is incorrect, we can mark it off. The word an in sentence 4 should be changed to the, effectively changing an Arctic Circle to the Arctic Circle. The word an is used when referring to a general noun, a dog, a chair, a country, but when you want to refer to a specific noun, you use the dog over there, the old chair, the corrupt country. Because only one Arctic Circle exists, it would be appropriate to use the instead of an, as we're specifically referring to this one. Therefore, this is a necessary correction, and likely our final answer, but let's take a look at our last choice just to be sure. The word sun should not be capitalized in sentence 5. Although it's true that in a sentence like the sun rises in the sky, you would not capitalize the word sun, when you're strictly referring to it in an astronomical sense, and in the context of other planets, as we see the sun and earth being discussed in this sentence, you would capitalize it. Therefore, this suggestion is unnecessary, and we can stick with our final answer of the word an in sentence 4 should be changed to the.